my name is Susan. Online I go by FaintSayu, and you might know me as the creator of Shark Girl Umi on Webtoon Canvas. I brought my shark friends along for moral support. And yes, this is my face, in case anyone wanted. I don't think anyone asked. I have eyes, nose, pimples, I don't know. Anyways, welcome to my YouTube channel. Nice of you to come and visit. I like anime, I like manga, I like video games, and I'm hoping to post content around that, maybe some tutorials, some art videos. It's gonna be cool. So, you know, let's be friends. If you like that kind of stuff, we can be friends, we can hang out. You can invite me to your birthday party. You don't have to be so weird about it every year. I'm not being weird about it. Well, that's good enough for me. My shark friends have encouraged me and told me to shut up. So, thank you so much for stopping by. I'll get to it. I'll get right to working. I'll be here. Oh, subscribe please. Also read my webtoon. I do a lot. I put a lot of work into it. Face test. Test my face. My face. Done. Face test done.